How we doing today? It's your boy Keith with Million Men. Let me tell you something. I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to see y'all. I know it's a snow day out there, but we're gonna keep working. We're gonna keep getting to it. So I want to talk to all my fellas, all my brothers about, a lot of us, we are unaware the importance of credit. Your credit score is a number that represents your, I must say, reputation when it comes to paying bills, when it comes to how you manage your money. So a lot of y'all are in a situation where you 20, you 21, you 22, you ain't never even had a bank card before. So let's start there. First thing you need to do is get yourself a bank card, open up a bank account, and start putting money in it. Okay? But today specifically, I want to talk to you about your credit score. If you got bad credit or no credit, everything I'm gonna tell you today will work for you. So the first thing I need you to do, especially when you ain't got no credit, I want you to download an app called Self. Okay? Self is an app where you start a CD, right? And to put it in terms that are simple and easy to understand, it's like a form of savings, right? Where you open up a savings account and you put a title on it. This is not actually what it is, it's just how I'm explaining it. It's like a savings account and you put a title on it and you say, yo, this savings account is worth $600. When you get $600 saved up in it, we'll give you a check for $600. It's a tool to help you save money, okay? So this is one of the things I'm gonna do. You download Self and you pick the option. I think the lowest option is $25 a month for 2 years, which in turn creates about $600, okay? $600. This is what you're gonna have saved up. And then 2 years from now, this account will close, which may drop your score a little bit, but in the meanwhile, you're gonna get 24 months of positive account, okay? You're gonna have 24 months of having a positive account on your credit, okay? My next one, my Jewelers Club. You've heard me say this before if you watch my videos. If you don't, go watch my videos and stop playing me. Feel me? Anyway, all jokes aside, my Jewelers Club is a great website where they pretty much open up an account for you, and with this account, you can start buying jewelry. And that means you have to put down a deposit. That means you got to put some money into it to get the credit out of it. Yes, $200 deposit, $100 in jewelry, and a $99 deposit fee. Okay? My Jewelers Club is a good tool for building up your credit and having a high credit limit. High credit limits will help your credit score. Okay? My next one is a secured card. The one I'm gonna use today, I got two, but the first one I'm gonna tell you about is Capital One Platinum. Now I know you heard the word platinum and you thought, no, I can't get no platinum card. Capital One Platinum is one of their rebuilding or new credit builders, okay? Capital One is a really good, they have a simple system that's easy to understand. You download the app, you can track your spending, and you can use it. If you use it wisely, it will build up on your credit over the next few years, okay? When I say use it wisely, I mean if you use it, pay it off within the same month. Pay it off before your statement date. Your statement date, when you have the app, is literally the piece of paper or the PDF on your app that says, here's the date that we checked your account balance. Pay it off before that statement date, not before your due date, your statement date. My last one is Open Sky. Open Sky doesn't actually check your credit, which almost guarantees you'll get approved for it, okay? Open Sky is not going to actually check your credit and see where your score. They just accept you and tell you, where's the money at? You need a deposit. And then you make sure you give them the deposit. And you make sure you continue to pay the bill down. Use it a little bit. I'm not going to say use it as a gas card, because some of these credit cards have rewards. But if you have a bill, you know it's $100, but you know you're getting paid and you know you're getting paid off every single time, use it for that reason. You spend $100, pay it right down. Spend $100, pay it right down. You'll see them literally start to raise your thing again and again and again, and your credit limit will go up. Okay? This is your boy Keith with just some simple advice. 4 different ones: Self, My Jewelers Club, Capital One, and Open Sky. You can go get these right now. Go get these now. What did I just say? They all cost money. The last 3 cost $200 a piece. That's $600 plus the other 5. But you got your stimulus check coming. You got the PUA. You got your work, your job. This is important. You're going to need credit for the rest of your life, because this is how they dictate whether or not you're going to pay exactly the price of a car, or if you're going to pay a premium on things, you know? Because if you want a home at any point, you want a car at any point, you want anything you have to get a loan on, either you're gonna have to pay a premium, but if you have good credit, you're gonna pay little to nothing when it comes to interest. This is your boy Keith, putting out a real simple video for y'all, explaining what accounts to go get when you have the money for it. If you don't got the money, just wait, stack your bread, and this should be the next thing you should invest in. I'm gonna see you on the next video.